to you. Surely can be done. Young and old are doing it, I'm told. Just one try and you too will be sold. It's called a freak, they're doing it night and day. Allow us, we'll show you the way.
I love this, you know. Pool party. If I even the beach, me have to reach. Summertime. Every man say nothing come along. Go for your suntan inna the summer sun. If you want bleach, go back home. Go for your umbrella 'cause the sun a burn. The young girl them a bring it on. In a bikini, them in a pretty tongue. You know for shy girl, bring it come. If you have a fool man, get it on. Both more may come from me now. Pretty girl does a pose like dummy now. And the tongues them a rub them down, you know. Inna the shade with straight vibes from me now. Team weekend coming on. Miss Jackson, smash I got done, you know. Oh, here we go. Summertime is here.
Julie says this is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding. This is my last resort. Cut my life into pieces. I reach my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding. Do you even care if I die bleeding? Would it be wrong? Would it be right? If I took my life tonight, chances are that it might. Mutilation out of sight.
I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Hey, hey. Well, I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Hey, hey. Said I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. And if I share with you my story, would you share your dollar with me? Bad times are coming and I reap what I done sowed. Hey, hey. Well, let me tell you something, all that glitters ain't gold. It's been a long old troublesome road, and I'm looking for somebody come and help me carry this load.
No nos queda agradecer a estos artistas por habernos traído aquí y por haber pasado un buen rato con vosotros. Esperamos que lo hayáis pasado, vamos, igual que nosotros o mejor, porque viendo las caras bailando, interpretando nuestras coreos, nuestras historias, yo creo que con eso ya se nos puede hablar.
It's impossible to love you. If you don't, let me know what you're feeling. Hey. Oh, it's impossible for me to give you what you need. Oh, if you always hide it from me. Oh, I don't know what hurt you. I wanna make it right. 'Cause boy, I'm sick and tired of trying to read your mind. 'Cause it's impossible, baby, it's impossible for me to love you this way. It's impossible. Oh, baby, it's impossible if you're making it.
Estas son las razones por las que hay que venir en Valencia Movement. Punto.
Por eso y por todo lo que nos queda, muchas gracias a todos.